What's the price difference between fiberglass and cellulose?
Not a whole lot anymore. Maybe another 30 to 50% to do cellulose, but it'll save you a ton of money on your electric bill.
The benefits outweigh the price.
Oh yeah, depending on where you live too. Believe it or not, energy's pretty expensive where we're at. So some areas, if energy's super cheap, you know, it doesn't matter, but the more expensive energy is, the quicker you get that money back.
Why are you sucking all that up right now?
Just because it's, we don't want to waste anything. First of all, it's expensive. And then it mixes with the dry material back at the machine.
Is it itchy?
Negative.
Should we do rock wool?
Negative.
Is there fiberglass in cellulose?
Negative.
Settle?
No, not if it's installed right. Cellulose settles typically because it's installed too wet most of the time, or if it's installed not dense enough. So the way we've got this stuff in the walls, it'll be there forever.